Boom, right into the catch can. Simple, clean. 2 filters, double vent, more pressure coming out. That's what you want. You don't need to spend $200-300 on an oil catch can, and then you want to go and weld 10-in fittings here, 10-in here, then you running a 10-in hose all the way over here to a big catch can with 2 big filters. Then you running a hose from here. You taking up engine space, baby. You gotta keep your engine bay clean. You want the space, know what I'm saying? You want the space. You gotta work on something. You want the space. You don't want to be taking stuff out just to get to a bolt or this. I mean, sometimes you have to do it, but those catch cans are like $300. Unnecessary, man. This right here is clean, really taking up no space. Look how clean that is. You really ain't gonna see a catch can set up like this on all the cars. It's just because I created this myself. I actually sat down, had a beer, drew it out. I'm like, you know what? This is how I'm gonna do it. It's the same way. It works the same. Okay? Straight from here, hose, vent, hose, catch can, hose, vent, hose to the valve cover. That's it. It's releasing pressure all the time. As soon as I turn on the car, boom, it's releasing. No restriction. All the oil right in here. Now we're gonna get into the cost. This water separator, if you go on eBay, you could type in water separator or oil separator. This is gonna pop up. I paid, I think, like $19. It comes with the bracket. It's clean, it's fresh. It has a little arrow where it kind of tells you, what direction is flowing. That doesn't matter because you're doing a vent, a dual port vent. That doesn't matter. Now, if you was doing a sealed catch can, then you need to follow that direction. But this one, you don't have to, okay? Because you can easily take this off, and you could blow here and here, and you're gonna have air going out this way. You could blow from here, you got air going out that way. There's no valve in there, okay? You only follow that direction if you're using a PCV valve, okay? $19. Hoses from Advanced Auto Parts, silicone vacuum hoses. I think I paid like $5, I think. $5 for like a foot. Okay, eBay, breather filters, black, kind of different. Everybody got red, and I did black, 2 for $12. Okay, so you got 19, you got 12, you got 5. That's under $40, man. The fitting here, what you do is you take your PCV valve out. All right, this way you gotta be real smart. And this is how you learn how to do modifications. Take it out, go to Lowe's, go to their hardware section, and you could go ahead and see what's the thread on your PCV valve. Once you know what's the thread size, you get a regular bar fitting that they sell for $1.50, and you replace it with that. That's it. No valve, no nothing. So you figure under $40, I would say. Under $40. Valve, oil catch can, clean. Taking up no space. If I gotta work, on my manifold, I can move this out the way. I could take the hose off here, take it over here. Boom, done. Catch can still there. I get busy. If I gotta come down here, I don't gotta move anything, boom, I can work. If I gotta come over here, if I do thermostat housing, boom, I gotta work. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you do that big fancy catch can that's right here with the 2 vents, you got hoses coming all over here, and you need to take this out, you got it in your way. You gotta unscrew it here, unscrew it there, because the hole's gonna be mad long. So if you only take it out over here, it's gonna be dangling. You're gonna be moving it like 2-3 times. You wanna keep your engine bay clean, have some space, and have something cool where people see it. I'm telling you, they're gonna ask you, yo, where you got that from? Or how much you pay for that? Or they're gonna ask, what is that? Because they never seen a cash can like this before. I'm like, man, that's clean. That's a vented cash can. Oh, for real? How? And then I'm explaining. This way I explain it to you guys. Save money. Stop spending all those crazy money.